Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to fix YouTube Revanced extended buffering problem. So there are a few reasons why you encounter this buffering problem. Could be outdated YouTube Revanced app version and signature spoofing not enabled. So there are tons of ways also to simply fix these issues. So first is check internet connection stability. And then the next thing to do here is you have to go to your settings and then look for your YouTube application. So go to settings, app management, app list, go to YouTube. And then this time you have to click the storage usage. And what you're going to do here is you can click this clear cache and you can also click this clear data. So clear the cache and storage of the YouTube application on your Android device to resolve buffering problems. You can now go back and see if the problem has been fixed. If not, then the next thing to do here is you have to go to permission and make sure that you have allowed the storage, phone, microphone, camera, also contacts and location if you want. And then after this, after you have allowed this permission, if you have the MicroG services, then what you're going to do is to search it right here. MicroG services, tap this one. And then same thing, what you're going to do is to click the storage usage and then tap clear cache. And you can also click this clear data. So after this, the very last thing to do here is you have to go back and then this time you have to open MicroG services and you have to click this Google accounts and add and manage account right here. Add a Google account and that's it. Now you can go back to your YouTube events and see if the problem has been solved. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.